Hey guys, what's up? So this is the part 4 of a long series. There will be a part 5 also for the mathematical problems. So this will actually help you. Many of you have given me a good feedback that this video helped you, and there are lots and lots of people out there who want this video. See, I have seen many aspirants personally, many of my friends, they say 120 minutes is just not enough. I am an alien who can solve this paper in 90 minutes, and they come up with such excuses. See, if you want to have excuses, fine. See, 5-6 lakh people give UPSC examination, 15,000 will be selected in mains. So majority, as you can see, that is 90% plus people will be rejected. So if you want to give excuses, there are ample number of excuses, there is no question about that. But if you want to adapt and if you want to learn, this is the video series you should be looking for. It's as simple as that. Either you flourish, you adapt, or you perish. There is no other option available for you guys. So anyways, I try to do my best, but this is the sad truth. So this series is conceptualized by me. See, what I have noticed is that you do not follow the Facebook page, you do not like it, you unlike it, whatever you do, and then you keep asking me for the same question. I have seen requests, sir, Hindu ka video bana do. I have already made the video for Hindu, Yojana. I have already made a video for mains, book list, everything I have made again and again. See, please like this page so you know that what all videos I have made, and also subscribe to an academy, and do like this video also so that it keeps adding into your like list and all. So if you still want to read more about me, just google my name. So I'll be continuing with the remaining questions now. So in this question, a worker reaches his factory 3 minutes late. His speed from his house to factory is 5 kilometers per hour. So if you divide it by 18 into 5, that will convert into meter per second. So this is how it is. uh, it is actually 5 by 18. So this is for a different conversion. Here it is not required. So 5 kilometer per hour means 12 minutes per kilometer. Is that understood? So let's say the first option is 3 kilometers, so he will reach in 36 minutes, but he should have be reaching in 33 minutes. So if he walks at a speed of 6 kilometer per hour, that means 10 minutes per kilometer. So that means he will reach in 30 minutes. Is that understood? But he's 7 minutes early, so that means he should be reaching 37. Since 33 and 37 does not meet, so this cannot be the answer. Similarly, let's assume that the distance is 4 kilometers. So for 4 kilometers, he will take 12 into 4, that is 48. But he is reaching 3 minutes late, so the time is 45 minutes. And when he is reaching 7 minutes early, that is he is taking 4 into 10, that is 40 minutes. He is reaching 7 minutes early, so time is 47 minutes. So since they are not matching, so this is also not the answer. Assume he is taking 5 kilometers, so he will take 5 kilometers per hour के हिसाब से he will take 60 minutes to reach, but since reaching 3 minutes late, so he has to reach in 57 minutes. And 5 kilometers by 6 kilometers per hour will take him 50 minutes, so he's reaching 7 minutes earlier, so it is 57 minutes. Since both of them are matching, so it means that the answer is 5 kilometers. Is that absolutely understood? Do not apply stupid formulas, it will take you a lot of time. This approach takes barely 20-30 seconds. Use all the options. First, since he is walking at 5 kilometers per hour, you should take 5 kilometers option and 6 kilometers. So that is how you will save time. Otherwise, there is a very tedious kind of approach, since the distance remains the same. So distance is equals to speed into time and plot not. So it's a very stupid approach. You will do S1, S2, 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 so that you will equate that, and then it will be a very time wastage kind of an exercise. A question paper must have a question on one of the 8 poets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. The first 4 belong to the medieval period, while the rest are considered modern poets. Generally, modern poets figure in the question paper in alternate years, and generally those who like H like G, F like E. Paper setter does not like to ask about F. He has written a book on F, but he likes F. Last year, the paper contained a question on A. Okay, which is the most likely question to come? Since it already contained a question on A, and A, B, C, D are into the medieval period, and since modern poets figure in the alternate years, obviously, so the answer will be E, F, G, and H. So C cannot be the answer. Since the paper setter does not like to ask about F, as he has written a book on F, so F cannot come. But he still likes F, and those who likes F also likes E. So E will be the answer. Is that absolutely understood? Very, very simple question. Again, I'll walk through your medieval period. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, so A, B, C, D are medieval period. E, F, G, H are modern period. 1 year they will ask from medieval, 1 year they'll ask from modern. Since they have already asked on A, so this will not be asked likely from A, B, C, D. The question will come from E, F, G, H. Those who like F also likes E, but since he has written a book on F, so he will not ask a question from F, so he'll ask a question from E. This is how logic works. It's absolutely 100% very, very easy question. In a group of 6 women, so already we have 6 women, so just write their initials. So one is Girija, one is Vanaja, one is Jalaja, one is Shailja, one is Tanuja, and one is Pooja. Okay, so Girija and Vanaja are among the violinists, so they play violin. Okay, Girija and Vanaja. Okay, while Jalaja and Shailja do not play how to play violin. Okay, Shailja and Tanuja are among the dancers, so she is dancer and not violinist. Okay, she is also not violinist. Okay, now Tanuja, Jalaja, Vanaja, Shailja and Tanuja are all vocals, so she is vocal, she is also vocal. Shailja, Jalaja, Tanuja is also a vocal, and Vanaja is also a vocal, and two of them are also violinist. Okay, so out of these who have four vocals, two of them are violinist. But since Jalaja cannot be a violinist, she cannot be a violinist, right? So she, and neither can she be a violinist. So she has to be a violinist. Okay. So now we have three violinists. And two, if Pooja is an actress, who among them is certainly a dancer and a violinist? So it's as simple as that. That who are the dancers? Shailja and Tanuja are dancers. So obviously the answer becomes Tanuja. So this is the answer. It's very simple. You just make a table. It will not take you much time, but it's very good. Then the letters L, M, and O, P, Q, R, S, T in their order are substituted with 9 integers, 1 to 9, but not in that order. Obviously, it cannot be in that order 99% of the time. 4 is assigned to P. The difference between P and T is 5. So since P is equals to 4, so T has to be 9. Difference between N and T is 3. N has to be 6. What is the integer assigned to N? Okay, this is the question, so it becomes 6 automatically. See, the question is P is equals to 4 and P minus T is equals to 5. So T is equals to 9. Now N minus T is equals to 3. So N is equals to 6. It's as simple as that. Then we have this is a quite controversial question. I don't think there is a one correct answer to it. The number of deaths among the army personnel is 8 by 1000, but among the civilian population it is 20 per 1000. Which one of the following inferences can be drawn from this statement? It is better to join the army. Absolutely wrong. Better worse की तो बात ही नहीं आई. The relationship is fortuitous. It cannot be imagined. Relationship has certain bases because it is showing a huge divergence. Quality of life index is very high within the armed forces. It can be one of the answers. Groups cannot be compared due to heterogeneity. See, now heterogeneity can be of two types. One type is considering ethnicity, religion, race, caste, creed, sex. So in that sense, both are equally heterogeneous. But heterogeneity also comes health wise. So the population, which is the civilian population, is very unhealthy, obese, and they have different bad dietary practices. In that sense, army is extremely homogeneous. So this becomes a correct answer. So I'll give it approximate weightage of 65 to 70% as the correct answer, and I will give it 30 to 35% as the correct answer. So for me, this is the correct answer. Both are correct answers for me, but D is slightly better than C. So if you want me to make more videos on other topics, including the reading comprehensions, do let me know. Because see, the thing is, like you will be able to solve. Yeah, there are lots of manuals out there, so they'll teach you lots of formulas and they'll try to solve you. In the last video I said HCF instead of LCM. See, it doesn't really matter whether you are HCF or LCM. Nobody is asking you to calculate LCM. It's just pure logic that you are not giving maths exam and just common sense. So if you have these two, you just solve it. I don't know what is LCM, I don't know what is HCF, but I just know how to solve the questions. So if you want to develop that knack and have a revolutionary strategy where you can attempt one questions per minute, so you'll be able to attempt 80 questions in 80 minutes. Absolutely 100% guaranteed. You will save time in math section and you will devote more time to RC section. So even if you falter, you have a bad day, you are not feeling good, you are feeling sick, you have not eaten well, you have not slept well, so even if rather than taking 90 minutes you end up taking 110 minutes, but you do not say and come to me that I can't complete my paper. Some people come to say that I have attempted only 50 questions, but I knew all of them, but there was lack of time. Obviously there is a lack of time, it is a competitive examination, it is testing your aptitude, so there has to be a lack of time, but you have to compensate for that lack of time. If you can't, like people like me who score like 75 correct and 5 wrong, so they will get through, you will not. So you have to develop these, and do not come and asking ki what is arithmetic progression, geometric progression and all. See, these are not asked directly, nobody cares about them. You just need to know your basic logic and just get to the answers. They just want you to apply the logic to the problems you will be facing in the field. So anyways, if you want me to make RC videos, do let me know. And thank you for watching the video. This is the YouTube channel and academy. You can click here to subscribe, and you can ping me. You do like the video, and do comment here whatever your query is. You can also tweet to me at my Twitter handle, that is at romanseni. And this is the Facebook page, facebook.com/romanseni.official. Thank you for watching the video. Have an awesome day.